Hi, my name is Samantha and welcome to today's video. Today we're going to be cutting some towels. Let's get into it. So these are all the towels that have been sold since I did the huge make all the towels video. I'm not sure when I posted that. It took me a long time to film it. I was working on it all the way from being in the other house. So like over a year I was working on this project. There are mostly cat patterns here that I need to cut, but we are just gonna cut this fabric. We are gonna cut as much as we can. So I need to first iron it and then we're gonna cut. And I don't know if we're also gonna serge in this video, if we're gonna do the whole thing, but this might just be a, cut with me video. Anyways, let me go ahead and iron these and we'll go to the cutting table.
Here's where we're at with the ironing. So I'm working on ironing the whole bolt. So this is the part I haven't done, this is the part I have done. So I just work on this section and then roll this up, pull it over, open it up some more and just work section by section. Then I am cutting it into 12-inch strips and then we will iron them again and then cut them down to size. So they're starting on the bolt, iron it into the first cut, and then we'll iron it again and cut it into shape. Update time. So all of these have been cut into 12-inch sections. So now I'm going to take each one of these back to the ironing board, iron them once again, and then we'll cut them down to size. Refill time.
time for cutting.
Alrighty, all of the towels are now cut to size. The last thing to do is to take all of them and trim the corners. So it's not a precise thing, I just trim off the corners, and that helps that when I am serging around, it's more of a circle. It's still a rectangle, but the curved edges are easier than doing like straight edges. So I'll just trim them off. I just have them as a stack like this, and then I just go like this and just trim off the corner. And that's it. So I need to trim all of these and then we can start serging. And this is the aftermath of trimming them down. Alrighty, here we are. I went ahead and trimmed all the corners. So in our next video together, I will go ahead and serge these. It takes me about 8 minutes per set, a little less than a minute per towel to serge them. So just take the towel and then I serge it all the way around. So we'll do that together in the next video. This is all of the scraps from trimming. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. If you'd like to shop any of these, I have my Etsy shop linked down below. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.